Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn preposition, an important topic of English grammar. बहुत सारे बच्चे preposition को लेकर confuse हो जाते हैं कि what are prepositions, how to use them in day-to-day sentences and why are they so important. अगर आप भी preposition से confuse हो जाते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. I am 100% sure if you watch this video till end, you will not forget the preposition in your whole life, as we are going to learn the preposition in a very interesting and simple way with lots of pictures, examples and worksheets. और हाँ चिल्ड्रन, इस वीडियो में आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज भी है और ये सरप्राइज क्या है इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए. So are you ready with your copy and pen? So let's start. After watching this video, the students will be able to identify and define prepositions and to demonstrate correct uses of prepositions. So children, look at this picture. This is a picture of a bridge. Can you tell me bridge क्या काम करता है? Yes, you are right. It connects the two sides, and that is what a preposition is. Preposition also works like a bridge in the world of words and grammar. In other words, we can say preposition is a word that comes before a noun or pronoun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. It links one part of the sentence with other parts of the sentence. So children, let's understand the preposition with some examples. Here you can see a dog and a table. And where is the dog sitting? Yes, dog is sitting on the table. On means ऊपर. Here on is a linking word. This linking word on is known as preposition. Yes, you are right. It answers the question, where is the dog sitting? It describes the position of the dog. Children, imagine if on is not there in the sentence, how would the sentence be? Dog is sitting the table. अगर on इस सेंटेंस में नहीं होता तो इस सेंटेंस का कोई मीनिंग होता? No. It wouldn't make any sense. So, on is a very important preposition. It shows the position of the dog here. Let's move to another example. Here you can see a cat and a box. And where is the cat? Cat is in the box. In means अंदर. जब कोई चीज किसी के अंदर होती है, then we use the preposition in. Here in is a linking word. This linking word in is known as preposition. Excellent. So children, fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Here you can see a monkey and a tree. And where is monkey hiding? Yes, monkey is hiding behind the tree. Behind means पीछे. Behind is a preposition. It describes the position of the monkey. Let's move to another example. Here you can see a cow and two trees. And where is cow sitting? Yes, cow is sitting between the trees. Between means बीच में. जब कोई चीज दो चीजों के बीच में होती है, then we use the word between. It is a preposition. It describes the position of the cow. Here you can see a rabbit and a house. And where is rabbit sitting? Yes, rabbit is sitting in front of the house. In front of means सामने. जब भी कोई चीज किसी के सामने होती है, then we use the word in front of. It is a preposition. It describes the position of the rabbit. So children, here you can see a bird and a tree. Where is the bird? The bird is above the tree. Right. Above means ऊपर. जब भी कोई चीज किसी के ऊपर होती है and it is not touching, we say above. Above is a preposition. So children, here you can see two girls and a house. And where are the girls playing? Yes, the girls are playing in front of the house. In front of means सामने. We have already understood the use of in front of. In front of is a preposition. It describes the position of the. Let's move on to the next example. Children, here you can see a picture of a box and a table. And where is the box? Yes, the box is on the table. On means ऊपर. जब भी कोई चीज किसी के ऊपर होती है and it is touching the surface, then we use the word on. Let's see another example. Children, what is this? This is a vase. And where are the flowers? Flowers are in the vase. So, in. कोई चीज किसी के अंदर होती है तो we use in. The next example is, you can see the cat and a table. And where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Under means नीचे. जब कोई चीज किसी के नीचे होती है, then we use the preposition under. Here you can see the ball and two tables. And where is the ball? Yes, the ball is between the two tables. Here you can see the boy and a tree. And where is the boy standing? Yes, the boy is standing behind the tree. Behind means पीछे. Very good. So children, look at some another example. Here you can see a picture of a clock and a photo. And where is the clock? Yes, clock is below the photo. Below means just lower than the photo. So children, let us quickly review the preposition. A preposition is a word which is used to connect noun and pronoun with other words in a sentence. Preposition indicates relationship between other words in a sentence. The most commonly used prepositions are in, on, under, below, in front of, behind, above, and between. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप कि अब आपको प्रपोजिशन के बारे में काफी कुछ नॉलेज हो गई होगी। इस वीडियो में दिखाए गए एग्जाम्पल्स को और वर्कशीट्स को आप बार बार ट्राई कीजिए। और हाँ, सिमी सचदेवा eduworld.blogspot.com पर भी आपके लिए ऑनलाइन क्विज का प्रोविजन है। आप वहां पर अपने आंसर्स को खुद चेक भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि मैंने आपको वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है। इस वीडियो के एंड में आपके लिए एक वर्कशीट दी गई है। वो बच्चे जो मुझे इसका आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स पे लिख कर देंगे और जिनके आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे, इस चैनल की तरफ से उनको एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया जाएगा और उन बच्चों के नाम मेरी आने वाली वीडियो में अनाउंस भी किए जाएंगे। सो चिल्ड्रन, देर किस बात की, आप जल्दी से कॉपी और पेन ले आइए और इस वर्कशीट को करके मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में भेजिए। और हाँ, इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों तक शेयर कीजिए so that other children also learn. So take care. God bless. Thank you.